Hey everybody, I'm Nick, and in today's video I'm going to be talking about the Weber Jumbo Joe and the accessories you can get for it. The Weber Jumbo Joe grill is an 18-inch. It costs $69.99 off of Amazon. I do most of my cooking in this grill. During the work week, I stay in a travel trailer in West Texas. Most everything I cook outside because it is just too hot to cook inside here. I did mostly grilling, and I've recently ventured out and purchased some accessories. I'm going to try some other things, and I'll put out some videos of different cooking demonstrations using each of these accessories. For any charcoal grill, the best accessory to have is a Weber charcoal chimney and Weber lighter cubes. You don't ever want to use any kind of a lighter fluid on your charcoal because it'll impart a petroleum taste into your food. On any of my grills, I don't use a wire brush because after a time the needles can break down and get stuck in the grate. This here is the Grill Badger brush. It's wood, got a long handle with Palmyra bristles and a scraper. I use this on my grill at steak competitions on the grill grates. Another brush is the Kona brush. It's 20 bucks on Amazon. It is this braided stainless steel wire. It does a really good job of cleaning the grates as well. These here are grill grates from grillgrates.com. These are anodized aluminum. They don't ever rust. They evenly distribute the heat across the entire grate surface. And these channels here, they concentrate the heat to the grate, so you get a really good sear and perfect grill grate lines, which really helps the appearance on the steaks in these competitions. Another cool thing about these grill grates is you can flip them upside down and use it as a griddle surface. Here's the grill grates on the Jumbo Joe. They come in 3 pieces and they interlock together. This is the turner that comes with it that fits in there. It comes right under, and you can flip your steak. You can also flip the grill grates over and use them as a griddle surface. I've cooked some tacos, cheesesteak sandwiches, and burgers like this as well. This here is a Lodge cast iron skillet. It's a 12-inch. It fits on the Jumbo Joe perfectly. I'm going to be putting out a video where I cook a steak in here and we do a cast iron sear. That's how that cast iron skillet fits on the Jumbo Joe. This is the charcoal basket from Adrenaline Barbecue. This basket here is made for 18-inch kettles and Weber Jumbo Joes. This is different than their slow and sear basket, which is for the 22-inch kettle and has a channel there that you can use as a water pan. This right here is just a little baffle here to insulate the food from the heat. This does the indirect cooking method, and I'm going to be putting out some videos where I do some ribs and a brisket using the Jumbo Joe. Here's the Adrenaline Barbecue charcoal basket. Fits down inside there like that. Your grate fits nicely on top. When you cook, you want to put your exhaust opposite where your basket is. That way you get that smoke traveling through and out. Here's the Vortex Mini Volcano. It sits right on top of the charcoal grates, and then your grate goes right on top. As you can see, with the charcoal grate that comes with the Jumbo Joe, it sits up just a little bit too high, and so that grate doesn't sit in there nicely. For 8 bucks, you can get the Weber 7439 grate, which is the smaller one for their smoky joes. Smaller diameter, so it sits a little bit further down in there. You can sit your Volcano there, and voila, there you go, no wobble. If you're going to use this Volcano in a Jumbo Joe, it'd be best to get that little smaller grate as well. Thanks for checking out my video on the overview of the Jumbo Joe and its accessories. Subscribe and click like. I'm going to be putting out a lot of videos where I'm doing cooking demonstrations using this grill and these accessories, so check it out.